SAP ERP versus other ERP systems, choosing the right solution for your business. In the sprawling landscape of enterprise resource planning systems, SAP reigns supreme like a towering mountain. But is it the best one of them? Before you plant your flag on its peak, it's wise to explore the surrounding valleys, where a diverse ecosystem of ERP alternatives thrives. This article guides you through the terrain of SAP and its challenges, helping you discern the perfect fit for your business expedition. Whether you're a seasoned executive navigating the business software wilderness or a curious entrepreneur scaling your first peak, join us. We will dissect the strengths and weaknesses of SAP, compare it to popular rivals like Oracle, Acumatica, and Microsoft Dynamics 365, and equip you with the knowledge to conquer your ERP summit. SAP ERP versus Oracle ERP, a comparative overview. Target market. SAP ERP targets a broad spectrum, including large enterprises with complex business processes. Oracle ERP primarily focuses on large and global enterprises, offering solutions for intricate business structures. Industry focus. SAP ERP is widely used across various industries, providing a comprehensive solution adaptable to diverse business sectors. Oracle ERP has a strong industry focus, particularly in manufacturing, finance, and construction, tailoring solutions for specific sector requirements. Scope of functionality. SAP ERP offers a comprehensive suite of functionalities covering diverse business processes, including finance, supply chain, HR, and more. Oracle ERP provides an extensive range of functionalities, with a modular approach allowing businesses to select specific modules based on their needs. Integration capabilities. SAP ERP, known for robust integration capabilities, enabling seamless connectivity with various external systems and applications. Oracle ERP offers strong integration capabilities, but may require additional middleware in certain scenarios. Cost. SAP ERP, often perceived as more expensive upfront, with costs associated with licensing, implementation, and customization. Oracle ERP cost structures can be complex, with considerations for licensing, implementation, and ongoing support. Deployment options. SAP ERP provides flexibility with both on-premise and cloud deployment options to cater to diverse business preferences. Oracle ERP offers on-premise and cloud deployment, allowing businesses to choose based on their infrastructure strategy. Deployment options. Cloud versus. SAP ERP provides options for both on-premise and cloud deployment, offering flexibility to businesses with varying IT strategies. Oracle ERP emphasizes cloud deployment, aligning with the trend towards cloud-based solutions but still supports on-premise deployments. Licensing model. SAP ERP follows a traditional licensing model, with costs based on user licenses, modules, and customization. Oracle ERP employs a licensing model that may include user licenses, modules, and additional features, contributing to the overall cost. User interface. SAP ERP interfaces may be considered more traditional, but SAP S/4HANA introduces a modern and simplified user experience. Oracle ERP provides a user-friendly interface with a focus on ease of navigation and accessibility. Ease of use. SAP ERP is historically perceived as complex, but recent developments like SAP Fiori aim to enhance user experience and simplify workflows. Oracle ERP is known for its user-friendly interface, offering intuitive navigation and straightforward usability. Choosing between SAP ERP and Oracle ERP depends on various factors, including business size, industry focus, and specific functional requirements. Businesses should conduct a thorough assessment to determine which system aligns better with their unique needs and strategic objectives. SAP ERP versus Microsoft Dynamics 365. Industry focus. SAP ERP is employed across diverse industries, catering to the needs of both large enterprises and mid-sized businesses. Microsoft Dynamics 365 has a flexible industry focus, often favored by mid-sized businesses with solutions tailored to manufacturing, finance, sales, and customer service sectors. Scope of functionality. SAP ERP is a comprehensive suite covering various business processes, including finance, supply chain, HR, and more. Microsoft Dynamics 365 has extensive functionalities, with a modular structure enabling businesses to choose specific modules aligned with their operational requirements. Integration capabilities. SAP ERP is renowned for robust integration capabilities, facilitating seamless connections with external systems and applications. Microsoft Dynamics 365 has strong integration capabilities, ensuring interoperability with other Microsoft products and external platforms. Related, the complete guide to SAP Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Cost. SAP ERP is often perceived as having higher upfront costs, encompassing licensing, implementation, and customization expenses. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is generally competitive in terms of upfront costs, with a subscription-based model that can be cost-effective for mid-sized businesses. Deployment options. SAP ERP provides flexibility with both on-premise and cloud deployment options to accommodate diverse IT strategies. Microsoft Dynamics 365 emphasizes cloud deployment, aligning with the trend towards cloud-based solutions, but also supports on-premise deployment. Deployment options. Cloud versus. SAP ERP offers both on-premise and cloud deployment options, giving businesses the flexibility to choose based on their infrastructure preferences. Microsoft Dynamics 365 has strong emphasis on cloud deployment, providing accessibility and scalability in line with modern cloud trends. Licensing model. SAP ERP adheres to a traditional licensing model, where costs are determined by user licenses, modules, and customization. Microsoft Dynamics 365 utilizes a subscription-based licensing model, offering flexibility and scalability with costs based on user subscriptions and chosen modules. User interface. SAP ERP interfaces were historically considered more traditional, but recent developments like SAP Fiori aim to enhance user experience with a modern and simplified design. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is known for a user-friendly interface, featuring a seamless and intuitive design for easy navigation. Choosing between SAP ERP and Microsoft Dynamics 365 depends on the unique requirements of the business, including size, industry, and specific operational needs. Businesses should conduct a thorough assessment to determine which system aligns better with their strategic goals. SAP ERP versus Acumatica ERP. Industry focus. SAP ERP is widely adopted across various industries, spanning manufacturing to finance. Acumatica is tailored towards empowering mid-sized businesses with solutions catering to their specific needs. Scope of functionality. SAP ERP offers a comprehensive suite covering diverse business processes. Acumatica features extensive functionalities with a modular structure, allowing businesses to select specific modules aligning with their operational requirements. Integration capabilities. SAP ERP is recognized for robust integration capabilities, facilitating seamless connections with external systems. Acumatica boasts strong integration capabilities, ensuring interoperability and continuity in business processes. Cost. SAP ERP is associated with perceived higher upfront costs, encompassing licensing, implementation, and customization expenses. Acumatica utilizes a subscription-based model, offering a competitive edge and catering to the financial considerations of mid-sized businesses. Deployment options. SAP ERP provides versatility with both on-premise and cloud deployment options. Acumatica leans towards cloud-centric deployment, aligning with modern technology trends. Deployment options. Cloud versus SAP ERP offers both on-premise and cloud deployment options, providing flexibility based on business preferences. Acumatica emphasizes a cloud-first approach, resonating with contemporary enterprise aspirations. Licensing model. SAP ERP adheres to a traditional licensing model based on user licenses, modules, and customization choices. Acumatica follows a subscription-based model, offering flexibility and scalability. User interface. SAP ERP incorporates modern elements like SAP Fiori to enhance user experience. Acumatica features a user-friendly design, ensuring intuitive and engaging user interaction. Ease of use. SAP ERP evolves to improve user experience and simplify operational workflows. Acumatica prioritizes user-friendly design, ensuring ease and efficiency in business operations. In the decision-making process for enterprise solutions, businesses consider these factors to determine the system that aligns with their specific operational requirements and strategic goals. SAP ERP versus Epica ERP. Industry focus. SAP ERP is adopted across diverse industries, from manufacturing and finance to healthcare and more. Epica ERP targets manufacturing, distribution, retail, and services industries, tailoring solutions to their specific needs. Scope of functionality. SAP ERP offers a complete suite of features covering extensive business processes and modules. Epica ERP provides a broad spectrum of functionalities, particularly emphasizing manufacturing, supply chain, and retail management. Integration capabilities. SAP ERP is known for robust integration capabilities, facilitating seamless connections with external systems. Epica ERP features solid integration capabilities, ensuring interoperability and data continuity. Related, Artsel Cloud APS solutions for SAP Business One ERP. Cost. SAP ERP is often associated with higher upfront costs, including licensing, implementation, and customization expenses. Epica ERP cost structure varies based on deployment options and specific business requirements. Deployment options. SAP ERP offers flexibility with both on-premise and cloud deployment options. Epica ERP provides choices for on-premise, cloud, or hybrid deployments, catering to diverse business preferences. Cloud versus SAP ERP provides options for both on-premise and cloud deployment, accommodating varied infrastructure preferences. Epica ERP offers flexibility with on-premise, cloud, and hybrid deployments, aligning with modern technology trends. Licensing model. SAP ERP employs a traditional licensing model based on user licenses, modules, and customization choices. Epica ERP uses a licensing model that can include user-based licenses, module-based licenses, or a combination. Ease of use. SAP ERP makes ongoing efforts to improve user experience and streamline operational workflows. Epica ERP prioritizes a user-friendly design to ensure ease of use and efficiency in daily tasks. In evaluating SAP ERP and Epica ERP, businesses consider these aspects to make informed decisions aligned with their industry focus, operational needs, and overarching business strategies. It's important to note that the choice between SAP ERP and other ERP systems depends on the specific needs, scale, and preferences of the business. Each system has its strengths and weaknesses, and the decision should align with the organization's goals and requirements.